Hey guys, someone wanted to donate $100, which is 5,000 pesos, for an exchange for a shout out. So shout out to Saudi Arabia, and this is for furniture for the new house. So
Oh,
Auntie
thank
Vilma,
you.
this is for you. So
Thank,
shout out to Saudi Arabia,
um,
and thank you
thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. It really means a lot. So
Mm,
shout out to Saudi Arabia.
From Saudi Arabia.
Yeah,
from
shout out to
Saudi
Saudi
Arabia.
Arabia.
Hi, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Next step is getting this with Richie on the bike. I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. Ninja Richie!
I think I need to keep it in my lap.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. You can eat there, you can text.
I have table.
Yeah, we can get you a little plate and a spoon, you can eat your dinner.
Yeah.
Alright, hey guys, Richie and I are about to go to Jerome's house. Before we do, I was just going to go over some of the things we got for him. I did talk to him another day to let him know that his ticket was paid for, his fine, so he's able to go pay for it and then get his job back. But I'm going to go with him. I think we need to go to Cebu City and pay for that. And right now, the situation there, I'm not sure if we're able to go there right now. We need to fill out a lot of forms and, you know, it's just chaotic there right now. But when he does go there, which I hope will happen soon, I'm going to go with him and I'll pay for it and get a receipt and everything because you know, we're dealing with other people's money and I just want to make sure you guys see, you know, what you guys are putting your money in for. So I'm gonna get a receipt and show everybody how much it was. He said it was around $500, which is really expensive for a ticket. So he's just very, very thankful that this is being taken care of and then he can finally get his job back and start to work and support his family again. So it's really, really awesome that you guys are doing this for him. It's just really cool. So so that's the first thing, which is really good news. And then the second thing, we had some extra money and we're gonna give him all this. We also got him a 50-kilo bag of rice that we already delivered to him. And then we got him all this. I'll go over this in a second. And then what's left over from that, I'll give him that as well, and that's for the school, his kids' schooling, and then, you know, to get other things. This will last for, you know, a little while, but he does have some extra money so he can keep supporting his family, and then soon he'll get his job back, so then he can continue on like that. But this will just help him out in the time being, and then once he gets his job back, then he'll get back on his feet. A big thanks to you guys. So I guess right now I'll just go over some of the things I got. We'll just start off with these. These are mosquitoes repellent. You just light these up and it keeps mosquitoes away, which is important around here. We got him a bunch of soap to wash clothes. This is all for clothes. And soap for taking baths. 6 shampoos and conditioner. Toothbrushes for Jerome's family, and then plenty of toothpaste for him. And we got him some toilet paper as well. We got him a bunch of different canned foods, corned beef, some tuna, and different kinds of sardines, some spicy, some not, some with tomato sauce, and more corned beef, a different kind of corned beef, and some beef loaf, and a whole bunch of different kinds. We'll put these in here. Plenty of canned stuff. Some ketchup, some soy sauce, some vinegar, some margarine. Got him a bunch of noodles, a lot of different kinds. Some regular chicken and some pancit canton and some more beef. Everybody loves coffee, so I got them a whole bunch of different kinds of coffee. Some instant coffee and some more. And some powdered milk, a bunch of powdered milk, and some more juice. And then here's some brown sugar. And Richie and I are actually about to go up there and cook something with Jerome's wife. So this is for the meal we're gonna cook. I'm not sure what we're cooking. We're probably something sweet with the brown sugar. And the 50-kilo bag of rice is already there. And Richie and I are gonna go up there now. We'll give him an extra $300 and then give him this. And then I'll hold on to the rest. And then once we go pay for the ticket or the fine, then I'll pay for that. And then whatever's left over from that, I'll give him the remainder of that. But I just wanna make sure there's enough money to pay for the ticket and for the fine so he's able to get his job back, which is then after this he can get on his feet and start working again. This is just something kind of help him through the hard times right now. But you guys, thanks again so much, we're about to go deliver this, so we'll just see when we get up there. All right, hey guys, I'm with Jerome and his family. I already talked to him about the fine, and he's very thankful. It is paid for. Now the next step is just going into the city and paying for that. And I'm just gonna hold on to the money until we go there, and we'll pay for it. We'll get a receipt and everything like that. But in the time being, we got a big box of goods for you.
For me?
Yeah, all for you, all for you. And we also the 50-kilo bag of rice.
Thank you so much.
But we try to mix it up, little bit of everything. We got some toothpaste and then some TP, toothbrushes, canned goods, noodles, and soap. Yeah, you can pick any color you want.
Yeah, I like pink.
And then to hold you over, like this will hold you over for a little while, but if there's anything you didn't like or if you want to get something more, here's an extra, there's another $300, which is, what's $300 in pesos?
15,000?
15,000, I think.
This
And,
is for my
yeah,
family.
yeah. This is for,
Thank you.
you know, for extra food, if you need to get more rice. I know you're sharing with your whole family, so this is for, you know, everyone.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, no problem, no problem. But then I'm still holding on to some of the money because we'll go to the fine, or we'll go pay for the fine,
Yeah.
and we'll pay for that, and then whatever's left over from that, you'll get the rest of that too. And that's for schooling too, like for the kids' school,
Yes.
whatever they might need, backpacks, notepads, you know, whatever goes along with school. But and so it's for things like that, and food of course, and you know, but we pray to God that you can get your job back, and then
Yes.
you know, this
I hope
virus
so.
is just, yeah, this whole virus thing is messing everything up. But thank you guys so much to the subscribers.
Thank you so
guys,
much.
Thank
you guys are
you.
really amazing. Like it's so cool.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's no problem, and it makes me feel good because the other day I told him he was just so happy about the fine. I mean, it's such a big deal. I don't know how they expect people to pay such a huge amount like that.
Yes,
Like, I never heard of a fine being so high, and just thank God now you can pay that and then get your job hopefully. So right now he can't apply for it because he has to pay for the fines first. So once he pays for the fine, then he'll apply, and then hopefully he'll get his job back. So that's awesome, brother.
Thank you so much.
And then now we're gonna cook. This is the last thing I got. We got some brown sugar, and I'm not sure what we're cooking today. What is it called?
Bukayo.
Bukayo.
Yeah.
Bukayo.
Before we will cook, you need to dance TikTok together.
Oh, what? You have to dance with us.
No,
You're
only
the
you.
professional dancers. We're just amateur.
Thank you so much once again.
Want to join?
Only you. Together.
Oh man, why do you gotta put us on the spot? All right.
There.
Right here.
Same dance.
Move it.
That's his
We have a nice
Nonang
background.
signature dance. The toot.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Which one?
Toot.
Do,
I can put inside?
yeah, keep that safe. Yeah, make sure.
Okay, one.
Yeah.
Bye.
That's probably the
Thank you
safest
so
place.
much.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, kanta.
Toot, toot, toot. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Hooray!
All right.
Alright, so let's start the cooking.
Yeah, let's eat now. Hey. No
Thank you so
problem, brother.
You're one of mine.
Yeah, you guys are special people, man. And so this whole community, like ever since I've been here, everyone's been so nice to me, and it just feels good that I can give back, you know, through the subscribers and to the YouTube channel, that I can give back like this. So this is awesome. Yeah, you guys.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you for being so kind to me too. Hey, no problem, no problem.
So,
Now,
shall
yeah, now we get to feed.
Yeah, cooking time.
we...
But check out this payag that Jerome just finished not too long ago. It is so cool. They use this for cooking and stuff. There's a little kitchen. Look at that view though. But every time we walk by, like this is where we park right there. So it's kind of convenient for me because every time I drive by, usually people are sitting here. So when I drive by like a bag of rice or anything really heavy, all the kids run down there and help me carry it. So it's kind of convenient for me because as soon as I drive by, they run down and help me. But this is so cool. It's made out of the wood, then bamboo, and the ground is bamboo. That's so cool. Perfect little hangout area. They got this.
You want to try it?
They got this little chair up here too. Yeah, I'm gonna climb up there. How do you get up there? Just up here?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
Front.
Nice. And this is my favorite tree. The Karasan tree.
Yeah.
The Karasan fruit.
What's the last? Kerasan?
That's one of the, what do you call it?
Manchinitas.
Manchalitas, okay. So that's another name. I looked it up. I think Karasan fruit is maybe the English name. I don't know. What's my favorite fruit? Can you catch me, Jerome?
You're so very hard. You're so heavy.
Oh, alright, okay. It's always easier going up than coming down for me.
Coconut leaves.
This is coconut?
Yeah. Coconut leaves.
Oh, okay, it looked different. So this is coconut leaves, but it's just like stacked up. It's not woven like the other one. So they just stack the coconut leaves on top. All right, so what's the first step? Jerome's gonna cut the coconuts. I didn't realize you were left-handed. You're left-handed too.
Yes.
Okay.
Handed.
All right, so we're doing 4 coconuts for this.
Have you tried Bukayo?
I don't know. It's a squirter. I don't know. I haven't. I don't remember, but maybe. Once I taste it, I'll know.
They're calling my name.
Richie, go, go.
And this is the next step.
Okay.
The coconut should not be too old so that you can do like that. Because
Okay.
if too old, then it's hard to.
All right.
Tubig sa tiap
One
yun.
glass
Usa ka tubig ni
Cocoa water.
So part of the ingredients is 1 glass of coconut water or coconut juice.
This is
For
for
the
you.
other is
Oh, nice. Another one is for me. Want a drink?
it's okay.
We can share it.
Yeah.
Alright.
You drink first.
Okay. Ah, that's delicious.
Also this. Brown sugar.
And 1 cup of brown sugar.
Sorry. 2 cups.
So 2 cups of brown sugar. All right, next step is,
Put the juice, coconut.
all right, coconut juice in, and then the brown sugar.
2 cups of sugar.
Okay, so we got the coconut juice and the brown sugar in there right now.
You shake until it's sticky.
Okay, so you keep stirring until it gets sticky?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take all the easy jobs. I can do this.
You're a witch.
I'm a witch? Why?
You say hee hee hee.
I'm making a potion. Just the other day, probably in the past, what, 3 weeks, there's been 3 accidents here. There's the one with the bicycle, then another one, and another one right before Raymond and I went to Cebu City. There's another accident right there. Someone swerved to miss the detective, and then they wrecked. There's 2 people on the bike.
Oh, Nonong will do.
Okay.
Next.
All right. It's a team effort.
It's like glitters.
It is. It's sparkling.
Si Michelle, dance TikTok.
Come on, Crystal. Come on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sige na, Ate Michelle. Go, Ate Michelle. You know, Ate Michelle, if get drunk, like
Then
here,
she'll start to
there's
dance?
birthday here, and then we used to drink tuba.
Let's get the tuba.
Ate Michelle suddenly dance every step. Really, and she's very red.
I can't wait to see that. All right, next step is adding the coconuts. And just stir.
Yeah. Keep going. Don't stop.
Ooh,
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
In one day.
So we're gonna stop stirring for a little bit and just let it cook by itself and let that dry out a little bit. Hey!
Model of coconut.
Can you balance that in your head? Wow, I was just joking. Whoa, I was joking. I think she could do that. That's really good. Richie's gonna give me some Karasan fruits.
Catch.
Oh, my mouth? All right.
Oh, good catch. Oh, very good.
Oh, here's some weights. Whoa, it's leaking.
Uy. Free shower.
4, 5. How come back tomorrow. Jerome's nanai is up there. That's where we did the video before. And this is Jerome's house. And it's overlooking here. So they usually stay up there because his nanai is not there. There are lots of plants growing here. Ah, puppy. What's the puppy's name?
JM.
Jerome
and Michelle.
Jerome and Michelle. That's a good name. How old is it?
Months.
Months old? Okay.
Blue eyes, look. Like a foreigner, like you.
Oh, wow. All right, the coconut juice is starting to dry out. We are all patiently waiting. It's almost done. Looks very delicious.
It's already.
Ready? Okay, it's ready. Those are the words I've been waiting for. Yes.
Smell good.
That smells very good. All right, they want me to try first, so I'll try first. I'll try a little bit of bread.
This.
Oh, the little one? Oh, it's already cut. Oopsie. Oh, that smells good. No problem. I'll put some here.
Bloopers.
Wow. It's like old version.
Oops.
Nung set init. Kayo.
Is it hot?
No, self-service.
No, what's that?
I'm gonna get some of this juice.
Juice.
Yeah, juice looks really good.
Yummy.
I think I'll use the spoon.
Spoon.
Yummy.
Spoon.
It's like honey.
One issue tasted, you always wanted.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good. A little bit more. All right, here's my first time.
No.
Hot.
Heidi.
Init kayo.
Init tayo.
Yummy.
Init kayo.
Yummy. Delicious. Yummy kayo, Bukayo.
Yeah. That's really good.
Sige na. Pagkaon.
Tagdugan ko ng meron.
Ikot eh.
Wow.
Heidi. Hindi naman.
Kanang nalagibatan ba? Ano lang sin?
Tim na kay tubig. Tubig sa kanila. Inom lang te. Nakay bugnaw te?
Wala.
Okay, naay kang tubig. Tuy butong lang te.
Yeah, very hot.
But yummy.
Very yummy. Look at that.
Very sweet.
That's delicious.
This is yours?
Yeah, thank you. My new water bottle. I had my old water bottle for about 5 months. I used the same one for 5 months.
It's good if you will drink.
Coconut juice.
Alright guys, we're gonna head back. That was very delicious. Hopefully you guys learned something from that video. You can try to cook that at home. And also thank you for all the donations to help Jerome. That's really amazing. And we're gonna try to go pay for the fine. We need to go to Cebu City. We're gonna try to do that either next week or very soon after that. So you guys take care and we'll keep you guys updated and we'll see you guys tomorrow.